Welcome you all. I am Karthik Gupta. Today we are going to discuss the topic time and work. Very important topic, time and work, which you can expect 2 or 3 questions from this module to any of the exams, such as it may be clerical, it may be PO, it may be specialist officer, or it may be secondary staff commission. Okay, so whichever the exam you take, okay, definitely you can expect a 2 or 3 problems from this module, time and work. Very important module, and one thing you have to remember, it's an easiest module. We can say it's an easiest module, but here we are going to get 7 to 8 varieties of problems. If you are going to learn all those varieties, then definitely you can solve any of the problem which they may give in the exam. So now, time and work. See here, for example, A takes 10 days to do a task. A takes 10 days to do a task, and B takes 20 days to do a task. B takes 20 days to do the same task. Okay, A is taking 10 days and B is taking 20 days to do the same task. Now, if both of them works together, then how many days they take to complete the task? Okay, if both of them works together, then how many days they take to complete the same task? See, if you add like this, 10 plus 20 is equal to 30, then you are going to do a biggest mistake. Okay, so 10 plus 20 is equal to 30, even though the value is correct, but we cannot add like that. Okay, and even though if you take the average of 10 and 20, 10 plus 20 by 2, which is equal to 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. This is also wrong. You cannot take average also. Why? Let me explain. See here, A is taking 10 days, B is taking 20 days. Without the help of B, A can complete the task in 10 days only. So how can your answer be more than 10 days if he takes the help of B? Okay, so if A works alone, then he takes 10 days. With the help of B, obviously he has to take the number of days less than 10. Okay, so if you take average, then you are going to get 15, which is the wrong answer, and you cannot add also 10 plus 20, which is equal to 30. Then what is the method? See here, A takes 10 days to complete a task. Okay, convert this number of days into efficiency. See here, if he takes 10 days to complete the task, then per day he is going to complete 1/10 of the work. Because time is inversely proportional to the efficiency of the work. Okay, 10 days he is going to complete 1/10 of the work. Okay, as the time increases, the efficiency decreases, and as the time decreases, the efficiency increases, and vice versa. Okay, always you have to remember that time is inversely proportional to efficiency, or efficiency is inversely proportional to time. As the efficiency increases, the number of time required to complete the task decreases. As the efficiency decreases, the number of time required to complete the task increases. Okay, always you have to remember this one. So A is taking 10 days to complete the task. So per day he is going to complete 1/10 of the work. Like that, B is taking 20 days to complete the task. So per day he is going to do 1/20th of the work. Now 1/10 is the efficiency, next 1/20th is the efficiency. Now you add both the efficiencies, 1/10 plus 1/20. So what is the LCM? 20 is the LCM. So 10 into 2 plus 20 into 1. Okay, so 3/20. So all together means if both of them works together, per day they are going to complete 3/20th of the work. This is efficiency, 3/20th of the work. Then how much time they take to complete the task? So from efficiency we have to convert it into the time. Okay, efficiency has to be converted into time. So efficiency and time both are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore, time taken is equal to inversely proportional, that is 20/3. So your answer is 20/3. So this is the actual procedure what we are going to follow to calculate the time what they have taken when both of them works together. Okay, see here, let me take one more example. If A completes a task in 2 days, then per day how much he is going to complete? Half. Second day he is going to complete half. Means first day 50% of the work, second day another 50% of the work he is going to complete. Next, if A takes 4 days to complete the task, then per day how much he is going to complete? 1/4. Second day 1/4, third day 1/4, and fourth day 1/4. So 1/4, that is 25%, next again 25%, next again 25%, again 25%. So per day he is going to complete 25% of the task. So altogether it requires 4 days for him to complete the whole task. Altogether it required 4 days for him to complete the whole task. Okay, so if you make the inversely proportional of the time taken or the time given, you are going to get the efficiency of the work. So this is the normal procedure what we follow. To calculate the time taken when the two persons works together. But we have one more methodology. If we go with that methodology, you can save lot of time. See here, A is taking 10 days to complete the task and B is taking 20 days to complete the task. Okay, A is taking 10 days to complete the task and B is taking 20 days to complete the task. Then what is the LCM for 10 and 20? The LCM for 10 and 20 is 20. Means A is taking 10 days to do 20 toys. A is taking 10 days to do 20 toys and B is taking 20 days to do 20 toys. Then A 10 into 2 20, B 20 into 1 20. So A is doing 2 toys per day and B is doing 1 toy per day. Then if both of them works together, per day A is going to do 2 toys and B is going to do 1 toy. So altogether 20/3. See how simple it is. Altogether 20/3. Let me repeat again. A is taking 10 days to complete the task and B is taking 20 days to complete the task. Now what is the LCM between 10 and 20? The LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. Okay, so here I wrote the LCM. Means A is taking 10 days to do 20 toys and B is taking 20 days to do 20 toys. Then 10 into 2 is equal to 20, 20 into 1 is equal to 20. Means per day A is doing 2 toys and B is doing 1 toy. Next, 20 divided by 2 plus 1. See, 20 toys altogether you have to do. Then A is doing 2 toys per day and B is doing 1 toy per day. So 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So the answer is 20 divided by 3. So this is the methodology what we are going to follow to calculate any type of problem. Okay, so this is the best methodology where we can save lot of time instead of converting each and everything into the fraction. Okay, now in time and work, how many varieties of problems you can expect? See, this is again a very important thing. How many varieties of problems you can expect in time and work? See here, in time and work you can expect 8 varieties. Altogether you can expect 8 varieties. The first variety, the first variety. A is taking some days, for example, A is taking 10 days and B is taking 15 days. If both of them works together, then how many days they take? Or A is taking 10 days. If both of them works together, they take 5 days, then how much time B takes? Okay. So these type of problems we can expect. So these are very simple problems. Okay. So A takes 10 days, B takes 15 days. If both of them works together, then how many days they take? Next, A takes 10 days, A plus B means if both of them works together, they takes 5 days. So how much time B alone takes? Okay. So this is one variety. Second variety, it relates to 3 members, A, B, C. So A takes some 10 days, B takes some 15 days and C takes 20 days. If all of them works together, A plus B plus C, if all of them works together, then how many days they take to complete the task? That is one thing. Next, A plus B plus C takes some days, for example 20 days to complete the task. A takes 50 days, B takes 30 days, then how much C takes? So these type of problems we can expect. This is a second variety problem. Now third variety problem. Before going to the third variety, let me tell you one thing. For example, see here, A takes 4 days to complete the task. Okay, A takes 4 days to complete the task and B takes 8 days to complete the task. If both of them works together, then how many days they take? It is very easy to calculate now. But you can get these type of question. See here, one person A, he is taking 4 days. Now 20 men take 10 days to complete a task. Then if 30 men works, then how many days they take to complete the same task? Okay. So these type of questions also they may ask. See, in the previous one we have seen A takes 4 days, B takes 8 days. If both of them works together, how many days? It is very easy to calculate because A is a single person, B is a single person. But now here they are telling that 20 men 10 days, 30 men how many days? Okay, and you can expect this type of question also. 20 men 10 days, 8 hours a day. Next, 30 men 12 days, how many hours a day? Okay, so you can expect these type of problems, which is bit advanced than variety 1 and variety 2 or the different problem 1 and 2. Okay, it is bit difficult or different than 1 and 2. But we can solve these type of problems very easily with the help of the formula. The formula says M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. In so many cases, we get that both of them are going to do the same work. Means 20 men 10 days, okay, they are going to do the work. 30 men how many days? They are also going to do the same work. In that case, W1 is equal to W2. But sometimes both of them are going to do the different types of work. Okay, at that time W1 is not equal to W2. Sometimes in both the conditions they are going to do the same task. Sometimes both the conditions are going to do the different task. In different task, W1 will not be equal to W2, and in the same task, W1 will be equal to W2. So this is the formula what we use to calculate the third variety of the problems. Okay, so 20 men 10 days, 30 men how many days? 20 men 10 days 8 hours, 30 men 12 days, how many hours? Okay, so to solve these type of problem, we go with these type of formulas. Okay, we go with these type of formula. M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2.